So all of you note down dot method.
You speak a little louder.
Dot method. Is it clear? Now is it clear?
Yes.
So note down dot method. So it is used to increase our speed in addition of single digit list, because you see I'm doing very faster than you, right? Have you seen? Only I'm not mentioning any end number. Did you observe that? I didn't written any end number while I'm doing.
You
It
just put
is,
a dot.
yeah, that is very easy,
Put a red
because
dot.
you just tell me, is it necessary to write each end number? Is it necessary?
No,
Did we need
except for
to accept last one? We need only last one, right?
yes.
And we need dots because to count the number of tens. So instead of writing all numbers, you just write them in your mind. That too only one place is enough. Okay, one one byte of space is enough for to store one digit. So 5 plus 6 it is dot. You need to remember in your mind it is 1. Yes, yes or no?
Yes.
So that one should be added to the next number directly. After that, we don't know need this one. Yes or no? After adding one to the next number, is it necessary to remember this one? No need.
No.
So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 4. Put a dot and remember now 4. Replace that 1 with 4 now. Okay. So 4 plus 7, it is 1. Again 1 came. Remember only 1. 1 plus 9, remember 0. 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 6, 4. So you need not to remember even 4 also. You write directly in the answer. After adding last digit, I got the 4 as end number. So I have written 4 as the answer. I mean 4 as the units place digit in the answer, and count number of dots. 54. Do you get it? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Let me tell you with one more example so that you can clear. Yeah, you see here, I'm just 4, 9, 6, sorry, 9, 8, 8. So 8 plus 7, 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 4. So write 4 directly and count the dots. 54. Understood? It's very easy. You see here, for example, so dot 7 in my mind, 3 in my mind, 0 in my mind, 8 in my mind, 6 in my mind. No need to keep it also in mind. 56 is the answer. Clear
Yes.
for both of you?
For me, I understand.
Superb. About Abhi, Ashri, Akshit? Akshit, is it clear, Akshit?
I can't really hear you that much.
Is it clear to you, or
Can you speak a little louder? I can't really
you
hear.
do one thing, you rejoin again. Maybe sometimes it will be the problem. So, Abhi, am I audible to you clearly?
Yeah.
So the problem is from your end, Akshit, you just rejoin.
Your voice is big.
Oh,
You have to say like loud.
Yeah, I hear you. It's not like your voice. You're not quiet. It's like I can hear you.
So this is the dot method.